Welcome back to the Auto Chapter. Today we've got something truly exciting to talk about. The all-new 2026 BMW M5. This beast of a machine blends sharp styling, cutting-edge tech, and blistering performance in a package that's hard to beat. Whether you're a longtime BMW fan or just love fast sedans, the 2026 M5 is a car that demands your attention. So buckle up as we take a deep dive into what makes this new M5 so impressive. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 BMW M5 is more aggressive than ever before. The design is bold and muscular, with a wide stance that immediately tells you this car means business. Up front, BMW signature kidney grills are larger but not overdone, and they're flanked by sharp laser headlights that give the car a menacing look. The bumper has been sculpted to improve airflow and add more character. From the side, you'll notice strong lines, wider fenders, and larger M-specific wheels that range up to 21 inches. Around the back, the M5 features a sleek rear diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and slim LED taillights that complete the look. Overall, it's a mix of elegance and raw performance, the kind of car that looks just as good on the streets as it does on the track. Under the hood, the 2026 M5 packs serious heat. BMW has equipped it with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now assisted by a mild hybrid system for better efficiency and instant torque. The total output is a jaw-dropping 718 horsepower and 738 lb-f torque. This power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission to all four wheels, thanks to BMW MX-Drive all-wheel drive system. The result? A 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.2 seconds. And for those who like to have a little fun, there's even a rear-wheel drive mode to let you drift it like a true car. The suspension has been revised for better cornering, and the steering feels sharper than ever. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the 2026 M55 feels planted, confident, and incredibly responsive. Step inside, and the luxury performance balance continues. The interior of the 2026 M5 is high-tech and driver-focused, featuring BMW latest iDrive 9 infotainment system displayed on a large curved screen that stretches across the dash. Everything from navigation to climate control is intuitive and responsive. The materials are top shelf. Leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents fill the cabin. The M-specific sport seats are both supportive and comfortable, perfect for long drives or spirited sprints. You also get ambient lighting, a premium Harman Kardon sound system, and all the driver assistance features you'd expect in a flagship performance sedan. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with ample legroom and a surprisingly quiet cabin, thanks to improved insulation. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 BMW M5 starts around $115,000, but that number can climb quickly with options like carbon ceramic brakes, upgraded sound systems, and additional tech packages. While it's not cheap, you're getting a lot of car for your money, supercar-level performance, luxury sedan comfort, and daily driver usability all rolled into one. And let's not forget the M5's heritage. It's not just about power. It's about the total driving experience, and BMW has absolutely nailed it once again. That wraps up our review of the 2026 BMW M5. It's fast, it's smart, it's luxurious, and it looks incredible. If you're in the market for a performance sedan that does it all, this one deserves to be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews just like this.